Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best handheld vacuum cleaner cordless on the market, the Blestan Handheld Cordless Car Vacuum. If you're looking for a powerful, portable, and reliable cleaning companion, this vacuum is definitely worth your attention. Right off the bat, what sets this vacuum apart is its upgraded technology. It offers two suction modes with a cyclonic suction power reaching up to 9 kilopascals. This means whether you need to clean cobwebs in tight corners, car seats, or even those hard-to-reach cabinets, this vacuum adapts perfectly to your cleaning needs. It's designed to be versatile enough to handle everything from pet hair to everyday dust and debris. One of the most impressive features is its lightweight and cordless design. Weighing only about 1.6 pounds, this mini vacuum is incredibly easy to carry around and maneuver. No more wrestling with tangled cords or hunting for power outlets when you're trying to clean tricky spots. Plus, it comes with a generous 12-ounce dustbin that means fewer interruptions to empty it. Its compact size means you can easily store it in your car, garage, laundry room, or even pack it along when you travel. Battery life is another area where this vacuum shines. Equipped with multiple 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries and fast charge technology, you get over 30 minutes of continuous use after just about 3 hours of charging. This is ideal for quick cleanups or more thorough sessions without worrying about running out of power. The built-in LED light is a handy addition too, illuminating dark corners so you don't miss a spot, especially useful for cleaning car interiors or under furniture. The Blestan Handheld Vacuum also comes with a variety of professional-grade accessories. There's a crevice tool and dusting brush that fits snugly into cup holders, car storage compartments, or narrow spaces. An extension tube helps you tackle baseboards, blinds, and even ceiling corners to remove those stubborn cobwebs. The vacuum's HEPA filters are washable and reusable, which makes maintenance easy and environmentally friendly. Just remember to dry the filters thoroughly before reinserting them. Safety and convenience are clearly thought through in the design. For instance, if you accidentally vacuum up wet debris, wiping it dry immediately is recommended to protect the motor. Another small but thoughtful detail is the sliding switch, which helps prevent accidental power on or off. You won't have to keep pressing the button while vacuuming, reducing hand fatigue and making the experience smoother. This vacuum isn't just for your home or car. Its portability means you can take it camping to clean sand off your tent or anywhere else you need quick, efficient cleaning. It's a practical tool that fits into an active lifestyle. In summary, the Blestan Handheld Cordless Car Vacuum combines strong suction power, long-lasting battery life, and a lightweight, ergonomic design with useful accessories and safety features. Whether you need it for your car, home, office, or on the go, it's engineered to make your cleaning tasks easier and more effective. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.